I stalk all living beings. One day there was a cat who one day found something out that would change her life for more than one day. This day was today. Once upon a time, she would not get out of her bed. And it was really pissing me off. So I had to solve this problem and go and shove this gigantic thing in her face. And then she got all scared. Yeah. See that pussy running out? That's a scared face. So I had to do more. I had to punish her by shoving a camera in her face. Oh yeah. This is punishment, alright? Look at this. Now look at that. I see I'm all shoving her in her face. She starts walking away. But I did not know that my cat was gassy and that it was her time for revenge. Oh, that stinks. Why did I do that? Oh. So now I'm following her, stalking her everywhere I go. She's just sitting right there staring at me, looking me dead in the eyes. I think I'm about to do something drastic. I might smack her. Take that, pussy. You're gonna run away now? You better. Yeah. I might as well sit back and zoom in on your face. Oh yeah. Take that, fucking pussy. Yeah. Hear that guy laughing in the background, he's laughing at you, at your soul, at your very nose. That was my pussy.